Okay, this is our new house. Here's our front door, closets. Here's our kitchen and dining room. It's a lot bigger than what we have now. It's a 3-bedroom house. It's bigger than it looks on camera. That's Jaden at the back door, knocking, being weird. There's our living room. It's like twice as big as our living room at home. The front window, fan, everything, it's nice and big. Yep. Again, it's bigger than it looks on camera. And here's the hallway. Here's the master bedroom. This is twice as big as our room at home. Closets. And here's another room. This one's going to be Jaden's room. It's the second biggest room in the house. Jaden's room. This is down the hallway. There's our back door. Here's Faith's room. The smallest one in the house. And over here is our washroom. It's a nice and big washroom. Like I said, everything here is bigger than what's on camera. Here's this is our garage for my future car. It's an insulated garage. It's just like another room in the house, just with a big garage door and a cement floor. Windows, and this is our laundry room. It's kind of shab in here, but at least it's big anyways. Okay, let's go back in the house, kids. Go back in the house. Come on, Jaden. Jaden. Come on.